Namaste and welcome to Namita's Delightful Dishes. Today we are making a Coorg style pepper chicken, a favorite my mom always made for us. It's a dish rich in spices with a kick of black pepper that makes it uniquely delicious. Simple, flavorful and perfect for any meal. Let's get started. Let's begin with our chicken. Today we are using boneless thigh and leg pieces, known for their tenderness and flavor. Cut the chicken into medium-sized pieces. Then sprinkle a pinch of turmeric powder and a generous amount of salt over the chicken pieces. Give it a good mix to ensure each piece is evenly coated. Once mixed, set it aside. Moving on to our spices, which are the heart and soul for this dish. Place a pan over the stove and heat it up. To this, add 2 teaspoons of peppercorn and 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. We are going to roast the spices until they are fragrant. Once the spices are beautifully roasted, it's time to grind them. Using a mortar and pestle, coarsely grind the spices. Set this aside for now. Next, in the same pan, we will roast 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Keep roasting until it changes to a dark brown color. This step is what gives our pepper chicken a distinctive black color, enhancing the flavor even further. Let's get cooking with our pepper chicken recipe. Start by heating a large pan on the stove, adding a mix of ghee and oil. Once it's hot, add thinly sliced onions, cooking them until they begin to soften. Then introduce 2 sprigs of curry leaves and 5 to 7 slit green chilies. Feel free to adjust the spice level to your taste. Sauté this together, then season with a bit of salt and pinch of turmeric powder. Next, blend in the ginger garlic paste. Continue to cook until the raw smell disappears and the onions are completely translucent. It is time to add the chicken pieces into the pan. Make sure to mix them well so they are fully coated with spices we have sautéed. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavors. Next, pour in 1/3 cup of water, then cover the pan. We will let the chicken cook over medium heat for 20 minutes. Give it a check to see if it is cooked through. If not, let it cook a bit longer until it is just right. Once the chicken is fully cooked, we will add our special touch, the coarsely grounded mixture of peppercorn and cumin, plus the roasted coriander powder we have prepared earlier. This is where the magic happens. Turn the heat down to low and let everything simmer together for a few minutes, infusing the chicken with all these rich aromatic flavors. While our chicken simmers, let's prepare the lemon. Cut it in half and squeeze out the juice. Once the chicken is perfectly cooked, pour this fresh lemon juice over it and turn off the heat. For the final touch, garnish with fresh curry and coriander leaves, and just like that, our Coorg style pepper chicken is ready to be served. Enjoy this hot and spicy pepper chicken, perfect as a starter or served with rice and rasam or roti. This tasty mix of flavors is sure to make everyone happy. If you enjoy this recipe, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button to show your support. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy cooking and take care.